Hi everyone, my name is Roshini and I'm an accredited trainer of Think on Your Feet, a workshop I've really enjoyed training for over 10 years now. And here with me,
I'm Sharmini and I am one of the master trainers of Think on Your Feet here in the Asia Pacific region. I've been doing, or rather training, Think on Your Feet since 1995. Now, let me tell you a little bit about it. You and I both know that we have more informal conversations than formal conversations at work, right? The informal ones where we are in a meeting, we are online, it's in the moment. And I am very, very sure, like me, you have been in conversations and left those conversations and gone, you know what, I should have said this instead of what I just said earlier on. That's where Think on Your Feet comes in. Think on Your Feet's promise is clarity, brevity, and impact. And it's never been more needed than it is today. The need to be clear, to be precise, and to be memorable in the moment is ever so critical. If you want to show up, be heard, and be remembered at work, you need to master the art of clear thinking is clear speaking. That's the magic sauce in Think on Your Feet that will make you look and sound good. And guess what? Now we can do it virtually, working from home or from your office.
Yeah, so Sham, you and I have really enjoyed, transferring these skills in-house and in person for such a long time. Now, the wonderful thing is that McLuhan Davis, who own Think on Your Feet, have very successfully transformed this wonderful workshop into an online offering, which is getting some really amazing skills, putting the learner at the center of everything. The transfer of skills are happening as effectively, if not more effectively. I don't know if you will agree with me, Sham, but I'm seeing some dramatic changes in such a short space of time. And I think it's something to do with the one-to-one contact that we are able to have with the learner.
Yeah, it's almost as if you're talking one-on-one rather than one to a group of people as you do in a classroom.
That's right.
So it really works. It really, really does work.
So do you have any favorite stories from Think on Your Feet?
Oh, I've got a lot. My favorite, though, is this one. It's a HR director coming up to me while in session, and she said, you know what, Sham, I can spot when someone in the team has not gone through Think on Your Feet, or if they have gone through Think on Your Feet. I said, well, how? She said, the way they speak in meetings and discussions. And this is a client who's been doing Think on Your Feet with us for the last 20 years.
Wow.
Rosh, what's yours?
From a gentleman that was from the research and development unit of a major pharmaceutical company. And he had come to our workshop just before a major presentation. Now, because of the Think on Your Feet skills, he was able to handle all the questions and all the objections around a process, a cleaning process he was trying to, get introduced. The wonderful thing is that he did manage to, convince his audience. And because of that cleaning process, they were able to save a few €100,000. So that's my favorite story.
Yeah, talk about ROI, isn't it? One of the things that some of my participants, when we train in China or Japan or Thailand or Indonesia, where English is not a natural second language, one of the concerns is, I can't speak English well, how do I do a program like this? Now, this program transcends language. This is a program that's about structure. And when you have the tools for structure, you can layer it on any language that you use and that you're proficient with. So structure tells you when it's clear, when it's brief, when it's impactful.
Yeah, feedback that I do get from participants, especially those who come from countries where English is not the first language. And what they've shared with me is that because they have to speak in English as part of their business, as a business language, Think on Your Feet plans help them organize and structure their thoughts so that they're able to articulate it, in a way that everyone else can understand them. So they love it.
Oh, that what the Think on Your Feet promise is. You know that it can be done virtually and it can be done really, really well. What are you waiting for? Fill up that form, hit the send button, and we'll see you online. Won't we, Rosh?
Absolutely. We look forward to welcoming you.